In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your Brother MFC-J4335 all-in-one printer. Ink chamber is just in the front, so you have to push this button down and open it. Ink cartridges are locked, so you have to press this lock button and it will come out itself. Now take it out. Remove all the 4 ink cartridges one by one. Install the ink cartridges, and the nozzle should be facing back and the lock should be facing up. So just match the alphabet and the color. Push it in. You will hear a little lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Just follow for all 4 ink cartridges. And close this chamber. So that's the way we can install the ink cartridges, and now we can check the ink reading. So we can see the ink is full. If you want to check in detail, just click on the setting icon, look for ink, click on the ink volume. It will display how much ink is left. So this way we can easily replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.